Hello, this is the homework for section 6.10. Again, you should have finished your homework already and using this as a resource to check your work, or if you had questions, to go ahead and fast forward to the particular problem that you had trouble on so you don't have to watch this entire video. Just watch the parts that are important to you. Please do not use it as a copy source. Do the homework. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. All right, so we are solving each right triangle, missing angle measures and side lengths accurate to the nearest thousandth. So there's the nearest thousandth, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, which is 3 decimal places. To start, we're going to go ahead and draw the right triangle. I have my geometer out. I'm just going to go ahead and draw all the triangles to begin with, so I've got that much done. All right, angle C is always the right angle. I'm going to put angle A here, B here. Side C is 18. Side B across from angle B is 17. I'm going to go ahead and make an answer box down here. We'll need to find angle A, angle B, and side A. I'm going to find side A first. A is up here. I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem to do that. That's going to be A squared plus 17 squared equals 18 squared. A squared plus 289 is 324. 324 minus 289 is 35. So A is going to be the square root of 35, which is 5.916. I'm just going to check my answer over here and make sure I'm right. 5.916, yep. 5.916. All right, now to find side, oh, I'm not sorry. I'm so sorry. To find angle A, let's see, I'm going to use this 17 and the 18, so adjacent and hypotenuse. And the adjacent, that's going to be a cosine. Cosine of A is 17 over 18. So A is inverse cosine of 17 over 18. $19.188. And then angle B, I'm just going to do 90 minus that 19.188. 90, again, because the 3 angles in a triangle add up to be 180. If this one's 90, then these two have to add up to be 90. So here's 19.188. I can just do 90 minus that. So 90 minus, I'm going to go back up and grab that answer. It gives me 70.812. And I just checked the answers and we are right. All right. Looking at this next one. Angle C is the right angle. I'm going to put B up here, A down here. And they tell me that angle B is 60 degrees. Side C is 20. And we'll have to find angle A, and we'll have to find side B and side A. Let's put that in this answer box down here. All right, now I'm going to find angle A first. Again, we can just subtract from 90, so angle A has to be 30. Oh, look at this. This is a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. I don't need to use any trigonometry for this. I can go ahead and just use my 30, 60, 90s. That's on the hypotenuse. So from the hypotenuse back to the short leg, I have to divide by 2. That makes this 10. And then from here, from the short leg to the long leg, multiply by square root 3. That makes that 10 square root 3. We'll need to get a decimal for that, since I asked you for answers as decimals. So side A we know is 10. Side B, 10 square root 3. Oops. I forgot to hit the 3. 17.321. Let's just check right there. Yeah, we're good. You can't see the answers because it's off the screen, but I have the page right underneath this. Your answers are on the back of this sheet. All right, let's look at these guys down here. For number 3, angle A is 25 degrees. Here's angle A. Angle C is 90, got it. Side C is 20. Here's angle B, side A, side B. And answer box. Let's see, we need angle B, side A, side B. Angle B is easy. That's just 90 minus 25, which is 65. So angle B, 65. Now, to find one of the other sides, let's find side A. So from angle A, again, I want to use the information they start with. From angle A, this side A is opposite, and the hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse, that's sine. So sine 25 is A over 20. A is 20 sine 25. It's 8.452. Just checking my answer along the way. Yep. Side B. Let's see, from the 25, there's adjacent and hypotenuse. That's a cosine. B over 20. So B is 20 cosine 25, which is 18.126. You can't see my calculator, I'm so sorry. B is 18.126. 8.452, 18.126 in the answer box. All right, next one. Let's put A, B, C is 90, side B is 10, angle B is 85. So things we need to find in our answer box. We need to find angle A, we'll need to find side A and side C. Angle A, 5 degrees, 90 minus that, 85. All right, let's find side A next. So from the 85, there's adjacent, and we have the opposite with this 10. So that's opposite, adjacent, that's tangent. Tangent of 85 is the opposite, 10 over A. Swap these guys, and A is 10 divided by the tangent of 85. And we get 0.874. Let me see. Ooh, 10 tangent 85. I had 0.872 over there. I must add a typo on my answer key, because I have 0.875. I believe that's right. 0.875. Probably typo on my answer key. Sorry about that. 0.875. All right, let's see if I did C properly when I created this answer key. I remember when I was doing the answer key, I was doing it very quickly. To find side C from the 85, we have opposite and hypotenuse. So opposite sine. Sine 85 is opposite 10 over hypotenuse C. C is 10 divided by the sine of 85. .038. 10.038. Yep. So it looks like I just made a typo there. All right. Next page. I'm going to go ahead and draw these triangles right off the bat. Okay, so for number 5, we know angle B is 40 degrees, C is 90, side B. Okay, side B is opposite angle B, so that's down here at 3. Answer box. We need to find angle A, and side C. All right, right off the bat, we can tell angle A is going to be 50 degrees. 90 minus that 40, or if you're more comfortable, do 90 plus 40, which is 130, and then do 180 minus the 130, and you'll get 50. All right, let's find side A. So from the 40, we have the opposite side here with this 3, and the adjacent, that's tangent. Tangent 40 is 3 over A. So A is 3 divided by tangent 40. .575. And to find C, let's see, from the 40 we have opposite and hypotenuse, that's sine. C is 3 over sine 40. .667. Yes. All these years, and I still get excited when I get a problem right. All right, looking at this next one. C is 90, side A is 5, side A, 5, side B, 4. Oh, this is not a 3, 4, 5. If it were a 3, 4, 5, the 5 would have to be on the hypotenuse. So let's identify what we have to find. We have to find side C, angle A, angle B, and side C. I'm going to find side C first using Pythagorean theorem. 5 squared plus 4 squared is C squared. 25 and 16, that's 41. And C is the square root of 41. 6.403. Okay, now to find angle, it doesn't matter whether you want to do A or B. I'm going to go with angle A, and that's, we have to use the 5 and the 4, so we have opposite and adjacent, that's tangent. Tangent of A, 5 over 4, so A is inverse tangent, 5 over 4, and 51.340. Angle B then is just going to be 90 minus whatever A was. So 90 minus that answer, and 38.6598, which is 660. Yep. Okay, I hope this video answered your questions. If it didn't, please send me an email and I will do the best that I can to straighten it out for you.